Hello students, in the previous lecture we saw how to take the derivatives of inverse trigonometric function. In this lecture we have to see one subtype of inverse trigonometric function by using substitution. Given problem y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus 2x square. In this problem outer function is cos inverse, which is inverse trigonometric term, and inner term is algebraic term. Therefore, this cos inverse and algebraic term is not cancelled. Therefore, we put x as some trigonometric term. We know the formula cos 2 theta 1 2 1 minus 2 sine square theta 1 minus 2 sine square half. Therefore, put x is equal to sine theta. It implies theta is equal to sine inverse of x. 1 minus 2 sine square theta is cos 2 theta. Now cos inverse cos get cancelled. 2 theta is the remaining term. 2 into theta means sine inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y dy by dx 2 as it is. Derivative of sine inverse of x 1 upon root 1 minus x square. 2 into 1 2 upon root of 1 minus x square. Put x is equal to some trigonometric substitution like sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. But don't use the angle x or y. Instead of x and y, we use theta, alpha, beta, such type of angles. Now second problem, y is equal to cos inverse of 2x square minus 1. Y is equal to cos inverse of some algebraic term. In such a case, usually we use the trigonometric substitution like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta. In this problem, there is a term 2 1. We know that cos 2 theta has another formula. First formula we see in the first problem, that is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Another formula is 2 cos square half minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Therefore, put x is equal to cos theta. It implies theta is equal to cos inverse of x. Therefore, cos inverse of 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. Cos inverse cos get cancelled, 2 theta. Therefore, y is equal to 2 into what is theta? Theta is cos inverse of x. Original function is y is a function of x, and this function is y is a function of theta. Therefore, first we have to replace this theta in form of x, then and only then differentiate. Therefore, first replace theta as cos inverse of x. Now differentiate derivative of y dy by dx 2 as it is, derivative of cos inverse of x minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Therefore, minus 2 upon root of 1 minus x square. For 1 2 sin theta, for 2 1 we use cos theta. Now y is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Y is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. In this problem, there is a term 3 4. We know that the formula sin 3 theta 34, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Therefore, we put x is equal to sin theta. Therefore, theta is equal to sin inverse of x. Theta is equal to sin inverse of x. Therefore, y is equal to sin inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. We know that this is the formula of sin 3 theta. Now, sin inverse sin get cancelled. Remaining term is 3 theta. Now, first replace theta in form of x, that is sin inverse of x. Then differentiate the term, that is dy by dx 3 into derivative of sin inverse of x 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. 3 into 1 3 upon root of 1 minus x square is the answer. In next problem, y is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. In this problem, there is a term 4 3. We know that cos 3 theta 43, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Cos 3 theta 43, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Therefore, we put x is equal to cos theta. It implies theta is equal to cos inverse of x. Therefore, cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is the formula of cos 3 theta. Cos inverse cos get cancelled, 3 theta. 3 into what is theta? Theta is cos inverse of x. Now differentiate dy by dx 3 into derivative of cos inverse of x minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 upon root of 1 minus x square. For 3 4 put sin theta. For 4 3 put cos theta. For 1 2 put x is equal to sin theta. For 2 1 put x is equal to cos theta. For 3, 4, put x is equal to sine theta, and for 4, 3, put x is equal to cos theta. Now, next problem is y is equal to sine inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square. We know that 2x upon 1 plus x square, for such type of term, we use the formula 2t upon 1 plus t square. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is the formula of sine 2 theta. Therefore, put x is equal to tan theta, it implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. Therefore, sine inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is sine 2 theta. Sine inverse sine get cancelled, 2 theta. Therefore, y is equal to 2 into what is theta? Tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx 2 as it is. Derivative of tan inverse of x 1 upon 1 plus x square. 2 into 1 2 upon 1 plus x square is the answer. Now, sixth problem is y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. In this problem, we have the formula cos 2 theta 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, here also we put x is equal to tan theta, theta is equal to tan inverse x. Therefore, y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula of cos 2 theta. Cos inverse cos get cancelled, 2 theta. Original function is y is a function of x. Therefore, replace theta as tan inverse x, y is equal to 2 tan inverse x, then differentiate. Derivative of y dy by dx 2 as it is, derivative of tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square, 2 into 1 2 upon 1 plus x square is the answer. Next problem, y is equal to cos inverse of 2 e raised to x upon 1 plus e raised to 2x. Y is equal to cos inverse of 2 e raised to x upon 1 plus, I write e raised to 2x as e raised to x bracket square. E raised to 2x as e raised to x bracket square. Now, this formula is of the type 2t upon 1 plus t square, 2t upon 1 plus t square. That is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula of sine 2 theta. Therefore, put this e raised to x as tan theta. Instead of x, now we put e raised to x as tan theta. Therefore, it implies theta is equal to tan inverse of e raised to x. Theta is equal to this tan goes to this side, and theta is equal to tan inverse of e raised to x. E raised to x. Now, cos inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is the formula of sine 2 theta. But outer function is cos inverse, and this is a sine term. Therefore, we have to convert this sine in term of cos. Therefore, sine 2 theta cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Sine any angle, cos of pi by 2 minus that angle. Cos inverse cos get cancelled, pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Pi by 2 minus 2 into what is theta? Now theta is equal to tan inverse of e raised to x. This composite term. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y dy by dx. Derivative of pi by 2 is a constant term, it is 0. Minus 2 as it is. Derivative of tan inverse of some term 1 upon 1 plus that term square into derivative of this term, right in numerator. Derivative of tan inverse of some term 1 upon 1 plus that term square into derivative of this term, right in numerator. Therefore, minus 2 into 1 minus 2 derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x into 1 e raised to x upon 1 plus e raised to 2x. Now write e raised to x bracket square as e raised to 2x is the answer. Now next problem is y is equal to sine inverse of 1 minus 25x square upon 1 plus 25x square. Y is equal to sine inverse of 1 minus 25x square. 25 means 5 square, x square means I write 5x bracket square. Here also I write 5x bracket square. Now this term is of type 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square is the formula of cos 2 theta. Therefore, put this 5x term as tan theta. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse of 5x. This is 5x, not 5 raised to x. 5x means kx type term. Therefore, y is equal to sine inverse of 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is the formula of cos 2 theta. Sine inverse cos is not cancelled. Therefore, we convert cos in terms of sine as sine pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Sine inverse sine get cancelled, pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Minus 2 into what is theta? theta is a tan inverse of 5x. Now differentiate with respect to x, derivative of y dy by dx, derivative of constant 0, derivative of pi by 2 0, minus 2 into, we know that derivative of tan inverse of x 1 upon 1 plus x square, derivative of tan inverse of 5x 1 upon 1 plus 5x square into derivative of 5x in numerator. Now minus 2 into 1 minus 2, derivative of 5x is 5, derivative of kx k, 5 into minus 2 minus 10 upon 1 plus 5 square is 25, x square is the answer. For 2x upon 1 plus x square, 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, put x is equal to tan theta, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, 2t upon 1 plus t square, 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, put x is equal to tan theta. Next problem, y is equal to sine inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. When there is a term like root of 1 minus x square, then only two substitutions are possible, x is equal to sine theta or cos theta. Here we put x is equal to sine theta. Therefore, sine inverse of 2 sine theta into root of 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta and root cos square theta is cos theta. Therefore, 2 sine theta cos theta is the formula of sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta, 2 sine theta cos theta. Therefore, we put x is equal to sine theta. Therefore, sine inverse of 2 sine theta, theta is equal to sine inverse x, 2 sine theta root of 1 minus sine square theta. We know that 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, root cos square theta is cos theta, 2 sine theta cos theta is a sine 2 theta. Sine inverse sine get cancelled, y is equal to 2 theta. Replace theta as a sine inverse of x, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx, 2 into derivative of sine inverse x, 1 upon root 1 minus x square, 2 into 1, 2 upon root of 1 minus x square. Here, two substitutions are permissible, either x is equal to sine theta or x is equal to cos theta. If we put sine theta, answer is plus. If we put cos theta, answer is minus. Therefore, there are two answers for this problem, plus or minus. Now, y is equal to tan inverse of root 1 minus x square upon x. Outer function is tan inverse. We have to create tan inside the bracket. Therefore, we put for such type of term root 1 minus x square, we put x is equal to sine theta or cos theta. Here denominator is x. Therefore, if we put cos theta, then denominator is cos theta and numerator becomes sine theta. Therefore, we put x is equal to cos theta, theta is equal to cos inverse of x. Tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Root sin square theta sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is a tan theta. Now tan inverse tan get cancelled. Y is equal to theta. Y is equal to, replace theta as cos inverse of x. Now differentiate with respect to x, derivative of y dy by dx, derivative of cos inverse of x minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. For root 1 minus x square, put x is equal to sine theta or x is equal to cos theta. For the term root 1 minus x square, always put x is equal to sine theta or x is equal to cos theta. Thank you, students.